Yo, what up guys? We're back with another video. Today we have an unboxing. It's been a couple weeks since I uploaded. It's just hard for me to be consistent in college, but I'm trying as much as I can. I also started a reaction channel, which I'll link it down below. I haven't posted a video or anything, but I plan on being more consistent over there, because over there it doesn't really involve me like spending money on making videos. Like, I'll just do reactions and stuff. Over here usually I'm doing like, like clothing unboxing or something like that, or shoes, something like that, or fitteds, something along those lines where I have to spend money. But I'll probably be more active on the second channel, and at least until summer, or until I get a job. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get into these. So I actually started to record the video, like I had just like taken these out of, like, unboxed the box, and then I realized that the camera was not recording. So yeah, but here's the box. This box is super tough. It's like, I don't know, just feels classy for sure. Kind of reminds me of the Jordan 11 Jubilees because of the way, I don't even know. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, there we go. So it opens to the side, it like flips open, and then you got the A for the A for A Ma Maniére, which is super tough. And then when you flip it open, you have the you have a dust bag. I've not recorded here, so I did not realize how tight of a space this is going to be to record in. Alright, we'll go ahead and put the shoes to the side. Yeah, so you got this dust bag, which is really tough. It's just a nice detail, especially because the retail is higher than usual. And yeah, I don't know, I just like the color. It goes with the shoes well. But yeah, these are the A Ma Maniére Jordan 4s. The second colorway. Honestly, I don't even remember the name off the top of my head right now. But I honestly think I might prefer these over the original colorway, if we're being honest. These are beautiful. But yeah, it is kind of crazy these didn't really sell out. Like, I think they're sold out now, but like they kind of set around. Like, I was able to wait a couple days before I bought these. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get into materials. So you got this, like, this color is like, I don't know, it almost looks more pinkish on camera, I would say. It's more like a tan, like, beige type of color, but it has like a little bit of a pinkish tint, like sand type of color. And then you have these, like, you have the black accents on the midsole, and then like the lacelets and stuff right there are like all cream and stuff. And then you have your hang tag, which is like a maroon, like a dark maroon. And then you have your like a suede toe ramp, which is pretty nice suede, honestly. And it's like a little bit darker than this main, like the main like leather upper. I think it's leather, I don't know, it feels different. It's like really smooth. I would say it's leather, but it almost feels like nubuck or something. But then you got the A Ma Maniére hit on the front, and it's kind of like just like embossed on there, just sick. You also have this little A Ma Maniére tag, which just says collaboration with Jordan. And then there's the heel tab, black Nike Air. And then the inside, it's like an all quilted liner, which is sick. Let me pull out the insole too. And then it has the A Ma Maniére monogrammed on there. And yeah, these are also like not, I don't think these are the polyurethane insoles. They're like a little bit like less durable, I'd say. But yeah, the quilted liner definitely just adds a more like luxurious touch. I do wish it was softer though, because the padding on the inside isn't like crazy soft. Like, it definitely looks softer like when you watch videos and stuff than it does in person. Also, I want to show you guys I'm pretty sure on the other side. So of course you got your Jordan upside down, like every four. Pretty sure on the other side for some reason it's different. And then also when you take out the insole on the struggle board, it says while you were sleeping. That is the name of the colorway. I could not think of it because A Ma Maniére did or is doing like a short film called While You Were Sleeping. So that's what all the drops have been called as of recent, like the Jordan 3 collab that they did, which those were tough too, but I like these more. If those go like getting you cheaper, I would probably pick those up too. But yeah, this side says A Ma Maniére. If my camera will pick it up. I'm recording this on my phone, so that's why. And then last thing that I'll touch on is the outsole. It's like got your maroon hits or burgundy, whatever you want to call it, and then like it's like a different color. Like the outsole is like a, I don't know, cream, I would say, while this is more like a beige almost, the upper at least, which I don't know, I feel like in person these just contrast really nicely and they just look really good. I'm definitely gonna, they also come with extra laces, so I'm thinking about throwing these, either the white laces or the cream laces. These are the two laces they come with. I just feel like it would look better if they had something breaking up the upper. So I definitely plan on doing a lace swap on these. I don't know which color yet for sure, but yeah. Oh, also on these, I just noticed on these little eyelets, or not eyelets, aglets. I always get the name in these. Anyways, it says work harder on the little lace tip. Each one says, I don't know if they all, yeah, they just say work harder on both sides. But overall, the details on these are pretty crazy. The materials are really nice, especially if like for Jordan brand, because sometimes Nike just lets their quality slip. But yeah, these are definitely an amazing fall shoe, and I'm glad I picked these up. I'll go ahead and show you guys an on feet real quick, and I'll be back for the outro. Alright, one last thing I wanted to mention with these is, so these are of course were, if you know, they were a women's release technically, but you know, you just go a size and a half up to get your men's size. But honestly, I think these run pretty big for a Jordan 4. Like usually Jordan 4s are very tight for me. I have a slightly wide foot, but these were like, honestly, I might have been able to get an 11 and a half. But I don't know. I don't want to tell people to go a half size down. So I would just say if you can, try these on. I know that's very unlikely, but I would just err with caution on the sizing. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say on these. Also, no, that's probably, yeah, that's really it. I don't really have any more comments on these. They're really tough, but just be careful with sizing, I would say. And yeah. One last thing also I wanted to note for this video gets over. So I have if you don't know, my major in college is fashion design and merchandising. So I'm actually doing like a runway like show for Dillard's. I don't know if y'all would be interested me doing like a vlog on that, because I'm trying to, you know, do more vlogs and stuff like that. Stuff that doesn't require me spending as much money, so I can be more consistent, because I want to be as consistent as possible with the channel. It's just kind of, you know, hard when I center around sneakers and clothing and stuff like that. But all your guys' love is very much appreciated. We're on the road to 500, so every like, sub, all that, like I said, very much appreciated. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.